Hi students, welcome back to our institute, Kalinga Institute of Innovative Science. Myself Anil Kumar Bhera, your physics lecturer. I would like to teach you about significant figures. In last class, we have already discussed about its five properties. Now, I would like to discuss about its sixth properties. Let's we come property number 6. Property 6 is all the constants have infinite significant figures. This property 6. All the constants have infinite significant figures. Infinite significant figures. Let's we take an example. Suppose we have to write a number that is 4 pi. Here pi is a constant. It is a constant term. So 4 pi has infinite significant figures. 2e. E means exponential number. It is also a constant term. It is also infinite significant figures. 2r, 2 in radius, it is also infinite significant figures. So all the constants have infinite significant figures. Let's start. Next point number 7. Point number 7 is all the powers of 10. All the powers of 10 are insignificant. All the powers of 10s are insignificant. If you write any number in the form of power of 10, then that number can be calculated, but the power of 10 will be insignificant. Let's take an example. Suppose we have to write 430. If we write in the terms of power of 10, then it will be 43 into 10. 43 into 10 means 43 contains two numbers which are non-zero. So 4 and 3 are two significant figures, but power of 10 will be insignificant. So all the terms of power of 10 will remains insignificant. Let's we take another example, or we convert this number into another form of power. 430. If we write it 4.3 into 10 to the power 2. When we multiply 4.3 into 10 to the power 2, it will be 430. Now we will see it. Let's see. Here these are two numbers, 4 and 3. If we use decimal, but 4 and 3 are two non-zero digits, so that according to rule 1, 4 will be significant and also 3 will be significant. So this number contains two significants, but 10 to the power 2 remains insignificant as the previous rules. So that if we convert any numbers into the powers of 10, the powers of 10 always remains insignificant, but the number will be significant. It is the rule number 7. Now it has been already completed your significant figures. Let's we start the next concept, round off figures. How can we round off a number? So the another concept is round off figures. Round off. What is round off? Round off is defined as the process by which we can convert a number into its nearest whole number. Convert a number. It is a process by which we can convert a number into measurable or you can say nearest whole number. Measurable or nearest whole number. So it is a process by which we can convert a number into measurable, or the number which is used for measure or which is used for measurement, or by which we can convert a number into its nearest whole number. It is also called round off. So it contains minimum 4 or 5 properties. Let's we discuss these properties one by one. Let's we start the first property. What will be the first property of round of figures? First property, round of means if we start, if the round of figure, sorry, if the next digit, or if the next digit of round of digit, if the next digit of round of figures, if the next digit of round of figures is greater than 5, is greater than 5, then round of digits is increased by 1 unit. Round of digit is increased by 1 unit. Is increased by 1 unit. It means if the next digit of a figure, of a round of figures, suppose we have to write a number, that number is 43.75. Let's 43.75 is a number. We have to round off this number up to 3 digit. So we have to choose 3 digit. Here 4, 3 and 7 are 3 digits. So we have to round off this number up to 3 significant figures. So 4 to 7. So whenever we choose the last digit of round of figures, that is 7. So the rule will say the next figure of round of figure. So 7 is the round of figure. Its next figure is 5. So this rule is not applied here. So we have to write 6. The 5 rule is applicable in the next point. But now we will discuss about greater than 5. So if the round of figure is 7, after 7 the next digit is 6, and 6 is greater than 5, then according to rule number 1, the rule will say if the next digit of round of figure is greater than 5, so 6 is greater than 5, then what will happen? Then the round of digit is increased by 1 unit. Here the round of digit is 7, so it will be increased by 1 unit, so that the number will be 43.8. So whenever we round off 43.76 into 3 significant digits, its answer will be 43.8, because it follows the rule number 1. And according to rule number 1, if the last digit of round of figure, or if the total round of figure is 7 and its next digit is 6, and it will be greater than 5, so that the round of digit is increased by 1 unit, so it will be 43.8. Let's we take another example. Another example is 41.256. 41.256. Let's we have to round off this figure up to 4 significant figures. The 4 figures are 4, 1, 2, 5, 6. So 4 significant figure means we have to choose these 4 figures. So the last figures of the number is 5. Now we have to choose, or we have to observe the next digit of the round of figure, that is 6, and the 6 is greater than 5. So we have to follow the rule number 1. Then according to rule number 1, if the last digit or if the next digit of a round of figure is greater than 5, then according to rule 1, the last digit of round of figures is increased by 1 unit. So 41.25 will be 41.26, because the last digit is 6 and it is greater than 5. So the last digit of round of figures is increased by 1 unit, and the answer will be 41.26. It is just the final answer. Now the round of process of point 1 is completed. Let's start the point 2. What will say point 2? Point 2 means it is just an opposite term of point 1. Then point 2, what will say point 2? Point 2, if the next digit of last digit of round of figure. If the next digit of last digit of round of figure, last digit of round of figure is greater than 5, is greater than 5, is greater than, sorry, greater than rule is 1. Now we will discuss about less than 1. Is less than, sorry, less than 5, is less than 5, then the last digit, of significant figure, last digit of significant figure remains same. Remains same. The last digit of significant figures remains same. Let's we take an example. Suppose we have to write 187.876. Suppose we have to round off this number up to 5 significant figures. That 5 figures is 187.87. Now we have to write here 4 because we have to choose less than 5. So here the last digit of round of figure is 7. So according to rule 2 we have to choose the next digit of round of figure. So the next digit of 7 is 4 and the 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So that according to rule 2, if the next digit of the last round of figure is less than 5, then the last digit remains same. So it will not be changed. So 187.87 remains same. It will be 187.87. It is the rule number 2. Let's we take another example. Another example is, suppose we have to write 100.756. Suppose we have to round up these numbers up to 6 significant digits. Here 1 0 0 7 5 4, these are 6 significant digit. Or if we write here 3, then what will the rule say? The rule will be the last digit, we have to choose the last digit of round of figure, that is 4. Then we have to choose its next digit. Its next digit is 3 and 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So according to rule 2, this number remains same. So it will be 100.754. It is the final answer. But if it is 6 or 7, then the answer will be changed. It will be 175.5. Thank you students. Thanks for watching my videos. It is the last topic of your significant figures. Thanks.